And we're back with Forum Daily's crypto and digital asset update. We're joined today by Bobby Del Rio, host of the Daily Drop.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Bobby Del Rio, live from Los Angeles. I'm here at Nova 3, which is LA's only Web3 co-working lounge. It's cool. So I was a guest speaker at an event here just the other day. It was like Hollywood producers, crypto entrepreneurs, graphic artists, and some of the top crypto companies and festivals and conferences all around the world. It was pretty awesome. And as you can see, like the venue's absolutely amazing. They're really building a whole culture built around Web3, and people are super interested. So, like, if anybody's in the Los Angeles area, these guys are open every day here. They're on Hollywood Boulevard, basically across the street from the Chinese theater. I had a really good time. And it's really interesting if you think about they're building entire businesses, communities, and cultures around Web3, blockchain, crypto, NFT. So anybody who's saying that it's a fad, I think a venue like this proves differently. And speaking of other venues, I was also in NFT NYC. So I've just spent a couple of weeks in New York. Now here in LA. NFT NYC was also amazing. I mean, I was in Times Square seeing, huge ads for NFT NYC where they put, I don't know, like 100 different NFTs on the screen. So you're like looking up and seeing hundreds of NFTs, and to go right from New York to Los Angeles to see just how much energy, attention, and enthusiasm the Web3 community has. Pretty exciting. And again, speaking of communities and conferences, Consensus, which is happening in Austin, Texas right now. You see all these things happening at the same time. You look at LA, you look at New York, Consensus in Austin, Texas. I was there last year. This year, unfortunately, I couldn't go because I'm here in LA. But it's interesting because some of the dominant conversations in the space of the world are happening in Consensus as well. JP Morgan, which is the biggest bank in the United States, their executives are starting to amp up conversations with the tokenization of real world assets. So for anyone who doesn't know what that means, basically anything that is going to be worth money in the future. So if you think about real estate, luxury art, I was meeting people in New York. I went to this really high level event at the New York Stock Exchange. Cool. And there are people who are doing things like taking computer storage and tokenizing it, right? Taking very niche concepts that you may not envision turn into a digital assets market. Those are being tokenized. So right now, JP Morgan specifically looks to be focusing their efforts on the tokenization of real world assets. And BlackRock has gone on record saying they intend to tokenize the entire stock market and the entire bond market. So you're starting to see the writing on the wall. Everything that's worth money in the entire world is going to have a digital twin, right? They're going to be digital assets created for every single thing that's worth money in the entire world. So it's definitely something you want to pay attention to. I did do a show on it for the Daily Drop, which I would encourage you to check out on the News Forum's website. Speaking of checking out, check out the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin recently cracked 30K. I think at the time of this broadcast, maybe around 29K, but it's been hovering in the 27 to 30K range for the last couple of weeks. Bitcoin is still up about 80%, 75, 80%, depending on the day this year, which makes it the most profitable asset class in the investment community in the entire world, right? So you definitely want to be paying attention to Bitcoin. Also pay attention to the economy. There are signs that the economy is rebounding. We don't know, but we haven't had any American banks collapse recently. We haven't had any major crypto exchanges worth $32 billion like FTX suddenly collapse and declare themselves, essentially as frauds. So today things seem positive. The sunshine is in LA. I'm at the beautiful Nova 3 venue here in Los Angeles on Hollywood Boulevard, and I'm having a good day. So thank you so much That's your update. Uh, Back to you.
And that was Bobby Del Rio with Forum Daily's weekly crypto and digital asset update. All right, up next, we're going to be taking a look at news from around the world. Violence continues to rock Sudan. Journalists are killed in Haiti, and the Fed is out with its report into the failure at Silicon Valley Bank. Stay with us.